Sit.
Caspar's down at the viaduct. Beautiful day in Auckland.
Want to say hello.
She's very weary. She doesn't bite. She's the boss, so she bites.
Yeah, well that's what Caspar knows.
But
he
she's got
stands
no
back.
teeth, so the biting's hopeless. She's got no teeth, it's never hurt.
Oh, bugger that.
See you later, guys.
Yeah. That's Caspar. Caspar the friendly puppy. If he likes a tummy tickle, he'll probably roll on his belly. There we go. Oh, tickle my tummy. He won't bite you. He's very friendly.
Can't argue with Takapuna Beach, can you? Hey, fantastic. Should be 2 in April.
Still is the little pup. Yeah, Caspar's 13.
Oh gosh.
Oh, he's
You're an old fella.
quite young for his age, isn't he?
Yeah. Lives a good life.
There's Caspie and Taupo. Have a little sniff.
Getting ready for the Campus Saver NZMCA second-hand motorhome and caravan show this weekend. That was another great video from NZ Today, RV Travel Lifestyle magazine. Subscribe and follow our channel for more great videos. Follow us on Facebook. Thanks for your support.